Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of RTHD. In this episode, we continue on with our piano crash course. And in this episode, I want to talk a little bit about using our hands, which hands to use and so forth on that piano. It's very, very important actually to understand the differences between the two hands when playing on that piano. Now remember to please like and subscribe while we get into the tutorial. And with that being said, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for viewing these videos. Remember as well that you can also replay them as well too, so that you can remember all the different things. Check back my previous videos as well, because that should also help with getting started as a beginner on this piano. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're back, and of course in this tutorial we want to talk a little bit about the two hands. In the previous tutorials I was using mostly one hand, but we need to start to get ready to understand what the two hands do on the piano. Now obviously you use the left hand for the left hand side of the keyboard and the right hand usually for the right hand side. Of course some people cross, but it's really just more for style, I believe. Generally speaking, left hand for left, right for right. Now the thing about it is that on the left hand side of things, you are pretty much using the left hand for mostly bass chords, bass notes or bass chords. So you can use the hand as like a bass guitar, well generally, but on the piano, and you use the right hand for mostly picking or main chords. But when you're getting started, you may be using the two hands to be playing the same chords, and that's fine in the start. And so that's how we will usually start, by using the left hand for the heavier notes or the lower notes and the right hand for the higher notes. Now what I mean by playing bass with the left hand is the main notes to a song. So for example, a bass might be like something like, while the right hand might actually be playing the full chord, which is like. So putting that together, we get something like. And as you can see, it's similar coordination, but instead of using the full notes on the left hand, I actually just used the bass. Alright, so this is a good place to start working on it. Now, as I said, we didn't go through the actual chords as yet, which will be in probably the next video. So I would suggest that you start, at least practicing from now on, C, F, G, and C. Now that will help to coordinate both hands, use your mind to coordinate the both hands together. And of course, this is a good practice, as you are beginning to learn how to play the piano. This will help you to, keep things sort of in order. So with that being said, guys, in our next episode, I will be showing you guys how we go about forming major chords, which is, like the most important major chords to start you on your way to playing keyboard on a better level from, of course, being a beginner and so forth. With that being said, guys, please like and subscribe and stay tuned to the other episode as we go through learning how to play chords on the keyboard. Thanks so much for viewing. See you again on another episode of RTHD, coming to a YouTube screen near you.